Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another perfume review video. My name is Naz. This is my channel, the King of Hidden Gems. I try to bring to your attention fragrances are usually very good value for money. They smell good. They're usually under the radar. Not many people talk about them. I think at least you should do research to try for yourself and see if they're any good to you. So in this video I have another update for you, and this is the brand Jean-Paul Dupont. Jean-Paul Dupont is a brand that been around for quite a long time, about maybe 50 years or more, and they have a quite a strange history because this brand started in France in 1970s, but in 1990s was acquired by Middle Eastern houses, Middle Eastern brands, and right now is under their jurisdiction, under their name. And I unboxed and reviewed at least 5 or 6 of the perfumes before, and each time they impress me, especially for the price. This one in particular is aimed for ladies, so it's called Jean-Paul Dupont, and this is Connect Donna EDP 100 ml, and retails for £60, but in the United Kingdom is almost impossible to find. In other places is more available, like Middle East, like United States, and maybe in Europe as well, but here in United Kingdom is very hard to find. If you can find them for a good price, I recommend this brand because they make very good perfumes for the price you're paying. The good news about this brand is that they kept the heritage of the Jean-Paul Dupont perfumery, which was the French heritage, very well. So they still keep making French and Western perfumery in their perfume lineup. Although they have maybe a few that are Middle Eastern, they are Orientals, they are Eastern philosophy of perfumery, but majority of the perfumes is still in the category of French and Western perfumery. So this one, it is aimed for women, and it is quite feminine, it is quite delicate, it is soft, it is powdery, sweet, it's fruity, it's floral, is musky, so all these things making it very suitable for summer. This is a beauty in a summer, a just quintessentially summer perfume, especially if you're going out evening, having fun, because this is a very fun perfume. It's very playful, it's quite naughty, and it is aimed for ladies, and it is correct to some extent because it is quite feminine. But if you are a man, if you like this kind of fragrances, you can easily wear it. I wore it for the last 2 days and I absolutely enjoyed it. I went with it everywhere and I never felt like, oh, I'm a woman suddenly. No. So as always, perfumes, scent, fragrances don't have gender. It's all marketing BS. Don't fall for it. If you like a perfume, wear it. If you don't like perfume, don't wear it. As simple as that. The rest doesn't matter. So first thing first, in terms of presentation, although this one is quite plasticky, it is quite juvenile, it is a little bit on the kindergarten side of presentation, but it doesn't matter. The important thing is the juice inside, which is quite nice. So the presentation is okay, it's not bad. The bottle is quite heavy, the cap is quite heavy, the atomizer is okay, so everything about it is all right. It's not bad, it's not good either. It is, as I said, it's a little bit on the juvenile side, a little bit on the youngster side, which doesn't mean anything. In terms of longevity, I'm happy to say this is quite a good performer. It's not a huge performer. On my skin went easily over 6 hours. On t-shirt and material went easily over 8 hours, especially at the moment, because at the moment we have a heat wave in Britain, in the United Kingdom, especially in London, and it's about 30 to 33 degrees, which is quite hot for London, and this performed quite well for this weather. So over 6 hours is good for heat, because the heat will dissipate the perfumes very quickly rather than the cold. Cold will keep the perfume longer, especially on the skin. So I would say it's good it's a good performer, but it's not a huge performer. In terms of projection and arm length of projection for around an hour to an hour and a half, and after that slowly subside. We always have a medium bubble, medium cloud, and medium trail. I went with 10 sprays of it, and that was ample enough for me to smell it almost all day with 6 hours on the skin, 8 hours on t-shirt. If you want to smell it all day, probably need to go a little bit heavier, maybe up to 14-15 sprays of it. And if you want people to smell you from the other side of the road, you need to put a little bit more as well. So I would say if you are going out in the evening and you want people to smell you for longer and much better and in a better distance, probably need to go up to 20 sprays of it. So but for the price is okay, because as I said, retails for £60, but if you can find it, it usually is discounted. I bought it for a very, very good price, and for that price I bought it. It's a bargain, and because it's very affordable, is accessible, it's not accessible, is affordable, and is reasonably priced, you can go heavy on the trigger. That's not a problem. In terms of who is it for, this is definitely as it says Donna, which in Italian means woman. It is targeted for women, and it is correct to some extent. So I would say this is 50-50 bang in the middle, but it leans towards femininity. The reason is because of the fruity, sweet, and floral and musky aspect of this fragrance. It will remind you of some of the very quite well-known perfumes in the market. So maybe it is inspired by something in particular, but I'm not aware of it because I'm not a huge, don't have a big knowledge of women's perfumery. But I smelled similar smell to this many times before, so it's not a unique perfume per se, but it is well done and is well put together and it smells very good. And for the price especially, it smells much more than what I paid for it. This smells like a designer fragrance, definitely something out of maybe House of Armani or Gucci, or maybe even Dior or Chanel. Similar perfumery, but a little bit on the young side of things. So in terms of age, I would say this is ageless. Anybody can, from 18 to 100 easily can wear it, no problem. In terms of season, this is better suited for warmer weather, especially summer, autumn and spring. Very good application for it. And in terms of occasion, this is one of those Swiss Army knife. If you dress up, you can easily wear it and smell very nice. And if you can dress it down to go to work, to gym, to supermarket, and still smell great and a happy smell, because this is very playful, very fun smelling smell to it. For that, it gives you happy feeling overall. So let's get to the perfume itself. The perfume itself, it opens up with a big sweetness. So this is a very sweet perfume, so you need to like your sweet perfumes to enjoy it. So you need to have a sweet tooth. Sweetness, it opens up of like 7 to 8, if 10 being the sweetest, and then slowly subside a little bit, a point or two later on, but it doesn't go away. The sweetness always stay there. So it's very sweet. It's almost a syrupy sweet, but it doesn't go to that realm of syrupy sweet, but it is quite sweet. It is quite fruity. The fruitiness of it is coming from the mandarin orange and a accord of strawberry in here. The strawberry accord in here is very nicely done. For a reasonably priced fragrance, is very nicely done. So usually with a accord of strawberry, usually they come across as plasticky, basically it's like you don't smell that in nature, but in here they've done a good job of it. Although it's not, again, photorealistic, that is a very difficult job to do, but it gives you the feeling of a strawberry, definitely. So I'm smelling the strawberry quite strongly in here, and the strawberry in here is very smooth. So again, usually with a note of strawberry or a coat of strawberry, it comes across quite sharp, quite stringent. In here it's not. It's very smooth and it's very rounded, which is very nice. So the combination of the fruits and the strawberry gives it that beautiful juicy, fruity, like almost cocktaily smell to it, and that gives it a very smell of holiday, feel of holiday, feel of summer, feel of happy times, feel of going to have fun feeling to it. There's a big component of floral in here as well, which is jasmine and violet. Jasmine in here is very well done again, and the violet in here giving it that powderiness overall. Overall, it has got a little of makeup-y bag smell to it, but not too much. It doesn't go to the realm of makeup and lipstick per se, but it is there a little bit and gives it that little bit of makeup-y, baggy, feely as well, which is again happy time when you do your makeup, you're making yourself up, you're going out, you're going to a special occasion, a special ceremony, is something very nice and happy times, and you're looking forward to that. And in here the smell of it again captured very well, and that's why it's very playful and happy and fun perfume. The base is very musky, so in the beginning, from beginning to end, always musky underline to it, but the musk is very clean, but giving it that beautiful, happy, summery, musky feel to it as well. And a little bit of patchouli to give it a little bit of complexity, a little bit of depth in here, but you don't smell the patchouli per se. It's mainly a supportive role in here, although in the dry down it gets a little bit hint of darkness, hint of patchouli, hint of earthiness, hint of chocolatiness, but it's not too much. Is there, but it's not going to take over. And also there's a vanilla definitely in here. I smell some vanilla in the base, which is giving it that sweetness plus the smoothness of this fragrance. Apart from the first maybe couple of minutes, which is a little bit on the rough side, later on it becomes very smooth, rounded, and very almost the dry down becomes creamy. So it's very well done, very well put together. Smells great, smells very happy, very bright, very fun, very holiday smell to it, happy times, and that makes it a very attractive perfume, especially if you like this kind of fragrances to go out, to go and enjoy yourself in the evening. This is very nice. I was quite well surprised, although I knew that the brand Jean Paul Dupont makes very good fragrances, but this one, because the presentation of it was in a way that I thought it's going to be like a very cheap plasticky smell to it, but it's not. It's very nice, smooth, and very rounded, very nice smell to the perfume. Very nice and quite sensual, quite sexy, quite soft, quite what do you call it, smell of like a soft petal to it as well, which making it a little bit powdery, little bit dusty as well, which giving it a little bit of that sensual, little bit of sexiness as well to it. So overall, I highly recommend it if you can find it, and if you can find it for a very good price. Absolutely yes. If you like this kind of fragrances, 2 thumbs up. Absolutely gorgeous. I absolutely enjoy this fragrance for the last 2 days. I think this is something that everybody has to have at least one of these sort of fragrances in their collection when they want to go out and have fun, to just not think about it, just to put it on, gives you happy feeling and go out. And this is what it does in a very well manner, and a very well put together perfume. I think there's nothing in here apart from the presentation. It may be a little bit juvenile, a little bit plasticky, and it doesn't give you the confidence when you look at it. But forget the packaging, the juice itself is very well done and very well put together, and I highly recommend it for people who like this kind of fragrances. Okay guys, if you have it, if you know it, if you tried it, let us know your experience. That would be useful for others to read. If you like what I do, if you find it useful, informative, valuable, or entertaining, please don't forget to hit those buttons. This way help me, encourage me, motivate me to bring you perfumes like this in future that nobody else is talking about. Amazing value for money, they smell great, and they're hidden gems. If you are interested in purchasing one of my own perfumes and support me that way and get something very, very beautiful in return, you could do that. I'll leave them in the link. I'm the perfumer, I'm the artist, I'm the worker, so they are true handmade perfumes just for you lucky people in the United Kingdom. I put more than 60% pure perfume oils in my perfumes, which is unheard of, and that gives them the huge personality, very big, very bold, very long lasting. They are like time capsule, they take it to different places, different time, and they are very, very artistic and unique, and they are super beautiful if I say myself. Also, there are other reviewers reviewed my perfumes. You can go and check them out as well if you are interested. As always, thank you very much for your love and support. Thank you very much for watching, and I see you later. Bye bye bye.